Good morning, students. Welcome in Step 2 Smart Class. Here I am Saroja Singh Yadav. Today I will teach you a English poem 1, A Time to Believe of Class 8. A time to believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust the miracle happen and dream really to come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of stardust sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of child's eyes, and beauty of an aging hand, for its thought their teaching we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the piece. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just wait to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. If only we believe. The poet of poem is B.J. Morbiger. Student, recite this poem at home twice or thrice so that you can learn how to speak and how to recite this poem. Here in this poem, the poet says that we have to do something, we have to do the believe on anything, then you able to do something. To believe is to know that every day is new beginning, is to trust the miracle happen and dreams really to come true. If you really believe that every day is new and we have to begin with new things, then one day will come and one great thing is done by you itself as you had dreamed for that day, and your dream will be come true and you will be very happy. In the second stanza, to believe is to see angel dancing among the cloud, to know the wonder of stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Here, the meaning of stardust having a magic quality. Here the poet is say that if you having a belief on certain thing, then you will find that certain magic will happen and you will achieve whatever you want to be. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is thought their teaching we learn to love. Poet is saying that if we believe that how to giving a care and love to our small baby, and we know how to develop our baby with love and affection, then the baby will grown up after a certain year. Whenever required at our old time, that baby will help you as you had done for that baby. So here, nurturing, provide a nourishment, care and protection. Aging, growing old. So as you give a love to a small baby, similar way, the small baby when grown up, they will take care of you. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within. When it is a time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Here our poet says that if we having a belief, then we will find the strength. We find a courage within. If you having one kind of thinking, I can learn this poem, I can do this task, then you will able to do that task. So similar way, the poet says that if we have a belief on us, then we able to get a courage and strength within our body, and we able to perform all kind of tasks. When it is a time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So, whenever we start doing that work, the small work or big work, at that time we think and we believe ourselves, then we will perform that task very nicely. Here the meaning of pick up the pieces, return to the normal after a shock and disaster. Okay. So here if we are we are shocked with anything, at that time we will come up. If we have a belief on ourselves and we know our stamina, then we will get some power from our heart itself, and we perform all the tasks and we can get a victory in our work. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. Cherish means hold something as very dear and of a great value. Here poet says that if we know that we have a belief and we can able to do the task, then we will a winner and we will get a certain gift. What the gift that? That gift is nothing but a happiness. And whatever the things we want to do in that work, we will get progress and we achieve the target. Okay. That life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. And this is our time to do the hard work and to learn the things, and whatever you had decided to do, that you do with belief on yourself, so that you can success in that work. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach, if only we believe. Here once again our poet said, if we having a belief, then we able to do all the wonderful things. For that we itself having a surprise. Sometimes we having a one sort of thinking, I am not able to do certain thing, but if we having a belief ourselves, then all big thing, all wonderful things we are able to perform. For that we itself having a surprise waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. And whatever the dreams we had saw, that I will be this in future, I will be that in future, that we had saw, and that beliefs, if we have beliefs, then our dream will be truth, and we are able to fulfill our dream with that belief only. So here poets say that you have some belief in yourself, so that you able to do all kind of tasks. So here the meaning of within reach is a possible to achieve. So, as our poet says that if you have belief, then you able to do all kind of tasks. So students, you also create a belief in yourself and try to recite this poem twice or thrice so that you can memorize this poem and recite this poem in your class in front of your peers and in front of your teachers or in your parents. Students, here our this poem is completed. For exercise question answer, link given in a description box. Regarding queries, you can write in comment box. For further notification for video, click on subscribe button and press bell icon. Thank you.